Phil, Fire Wrench Garage. Today we're working on the 2019 F350 and we've got some exciting parts that we're going to be putting on here. And here they are. The Banks differential cover right here. That's going to give us some additional cooling, and then we're going to be filling it up with what they recommend, Severe Gear from Amsoil 75-140, which is what is recommended. Pretty awesome deal. You buy the cover and they give you the exact amount of oil that you need. So I'm going to get underneath here, pop that cover off, and get the new stuff on. If you like the video on vehicles and how to do stuff, please like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to see more of this project. Have a great day.